Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I brought the tires to the shop today, so we're going to go to the back and clean them off, and then we're going to take the tube out and see if we find the leak on the tube. Alright, so here's the tire, and here is the tube. Let's go ahead and pump it up. That's probably enough. Let's get the soapy water and check for leaks. Alright, so here's the problem. There's a hole. I'm going to try to patch that, and if that doesn't work, we'll just get a new tube. Guys, we finally got the tires pumped up. We just took the tubes out. This one, we had to really bend the rim in some spots and it was leaking. We used some bead sealer, and of course we put some valve stems in there. So now the tires are tubeless again, and they all seem to be holding air now. There are no leaks. So let's go ahead and take them back home and mount them on the wheel horse. And just like that, we are back from the tire shop. Foggy camera again. And there are the tires and the tubes. I'm going to keep the tubes with me in case I need to reuse them, in case we have any issues with the tires again. I don't think we will now, because I'm hammering against the rim to straighten it out. So they should be straight as an arrow, or straight as a circle, or round as a circle. Let's bring the John Deere over here, get this stuff in the trailer, then we'll put it on the wheel horse after the camera unfogs. I don't think I've ever seen these tires this clean since they were brand new. They probably won't ever be that clean ever again. They look so good compared to those muddy ones back there. May need to take those off just to clean them. Nah, that's too much trouble. Alright, the tires are installed. Let's take it out on the test drive and see what happens. Just like that, the tires are dirty again. Oh well, I don't guess it matters if they're dirty. The wheel horse had trouble through here last time. Let's see if it'll make it through this time. So I just got done doing my ride around, and the tires appear to be okay. They feel nice and solid. I also noticed that it's much easier to steer now than it used to be. I wonder if those tubes were adding stiffness to the tires and making it rougher. I also noticed it rides just ever so slightly smoother. I don't know, maybe that's just my imagination, but it does feel easier to steer now. So the tires are back to normal. The battery terminal's back to normal. Everything's back to normal on the wheel horse again. Except for that, of course. We still have to get that fixed. I don't know when I'm going to do that. That's not really my high priority at the moment. Oh yeah, I still haven't made a video about the bad news yet. That'll be coming up soon. So I guess that's all I have to say for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.